Sección 48, escribir otra lección de física.
What kind of plants are in this field?
What kind of plants are in this field? We stay in a small wooden house by the forest.
A plane is flying over the building.
A plane is flying over the building. So,
How many bridges are there in New York?
¿cuántos puentes hay en Nueva York? El estómago. My which listen it. Listen. The rain.
It's raining.
I can hear
Rain.
The fields need rain.
The fields need rain.
An owl is flying over the roof.
Oh, oh, da, volando. So, teach. Discúlpame, where is the wooden bridge? No, can you clear the bridge? Water in the field and turn left. Digital noise. The roof was wet. Although you of one all prediction from the we
Drive.
always like to the building was a cover roof. The fields need
Rain.
the house and rain.
Rained.
Is the paint wet?
Pretty wet. I'm going to tell you for the time. There was of the punto near by the there was an old a woman
My hair is wet.
was an old woman